case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a gripping case from 1984, the United States Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit was tasked with scrutinizing a controversial incidence of voter fraud connected to an absentee ballot scheme during the 1982 federal and state elections in North Carolina. With stakes high and convoluted legal strategies at play, the case, United States v. Odom, rested heavily on fine lines of law and ethics. The defendants, who held office positions closely tied to candidates running for re-election as sheriff and clerk of court in Alexander County, were accused and eventually convicted of actively participating in a deceptive absentee voting scheme. It was an audacious ploy mired in controversy and hinging on the merits of testimonies from witnesses, some allegedly mentally incompetent. The defense, in a passionate appeal, contested the fairness of the trial. They argued that witnesses who were mentally impaired were unfairly permitted to testify. They vehemently challenged the legitimacy of the opposing side's claims that they knowingly used males for their illicit activities. However, the appeal was met with resistance. The lower court had deemed no error inherent in the trial procedure and found a connection between the defendants and the incriminating mailings. The dynamics of the trial took a sudden turn when the U.S. attorney, in what was flagged as an improper statement, had his credibility questioned by the defense. Showing swift intervention, the presiding judge demanded the jury to disregard the contentious remarks. This disciplinary action was seen as crucial, exonerating the judge from accusations of partial conduct. Faced with the task of delivering a judgment on the appeal in the aftergloom of a fractious trial, the court upheld the original convictions. It was found that the defense had waived the objection to witness competency, their culpability in the mail-related scheme was deemed plausible, and the judge had appropriately handled fallout from the U.S. attorney's unsanctioned statement. The verdict reverberated across the corridors of justice, affirmation of the defendant's guilt and dismissal of grounds for reversal. United States v. Odom, once a symbol of electoral trickery, became a landmark in the affirmation of proper judicial conduct and the intricacies of voter fraud laws.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.